Today, I'm at the International Builder Show in Orlando, Florida, and that means a few things. Number one, food trucks. Number two, up that ramp and behind those doors, I have the potential to find something that I have never seen before. And that's exciting for me. Number three, all day, I will be the guy talking directly to a camera, pretending that other people don't exist while they walk through the shot, pretending that I don't exist. Seems like a fair deal, really. All right, this is gonna be fun. Let's go check it out. Behind me is the Neuma Home. It's a steel frame prefab home manufactured in Houston. And what's interesting about this one is the way that it's transported. So this moves in two pieces that are folded up on a flatbed truck, and when it arrives to the job site, they're craned off onto a concrete slab where the roof is folded up, and the result is a 753 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Let's have a look around and check this thing out. Starting at the side of the home, perfect time to talk about the roof pitch. So this model has their standard 212 roof pitch. It's very slight. However, I have been told that they do offer a 1012 as well, and that's gonna get you up into this territory right here. Now, they're heating and cooling this home with mini splits. There's one on the end, there's another one I believe on the back, and I'm gonna take a wide angle around this so we can get a look at the entire thing. So I talked to the CEO or founder, I'm not exactly sure what his role is, but he seemed important, and he said a lot of what they're selling right now is being used as an ADU for a granny flat or an in-law suite, whatever you want to call it. They're being used for that. They're being used for cabins. And where this works well, I would think, is places that are hard to get to because of the way it ships. I'm going up to get over some heads here. You can get the trucks where maybe a wider load would not be available. So not much we can see down the back. But what we're looking at here on this side, that's the bedroom. We've got a dining space over here. And as I loop around, we'll get one more look at the front before I head inside. No, you're good, thank you. We've got kind of a dining room here, kitchen's in the middle, bedroom on the back. I could talk about what's inside from the outside all day long, but it probably just makes sense to go check it out. So let's do that. So heading inside, you land in the living room, and as you can see, the way they've got it set up, they've got a love seat over here. They've got the coffee table, TV mounted on the wall, and behind you will see the mini split. They've got a couple of those in the home, and that is what's used to heat and cool the home. Coming around this way, we've got the kitchen. And the way they've got that laid out is with a peninsula. They've got the full-size fridge here. And as I enter into the kitchen, we will have a look at what they've got for kitchen cabinets, because people need to know where they're gonna put their stuff. So looking above, they've got a cabinet on either side of the vent, two above, and down below they've got one drawer and two more cabinets, which are gonna be the perfect place for your kitchen appliances. On the inside of the peninsula, they've got the typical storage below the sink, and then over here they've got an open section. Now, I'm not sure if that is designed to have a bar stool tucked in there and be a place that you can eat, or it might also be somewhere that would be the perfect spot for a dishwasher. Now, heading down towards the bedroom, we will have a quick look in there and see what they've got going on. So they've got the wardrobe over there, and I'm guessing that was added after the fact. It doesn't look like it's going to be shipping with the home, so that's where you're going to put your dresser or anything else you might want or need in the bedroom. Coming around, they've got a window before a desk, and heading down this way, they have got what appears to be, in my opinion, a double bed, but I forgot my tape measure, so I'm not 100% on that. A second window down there. Let's head back towards the front door. I'm gonna duck in this way and have a look at bathroom one. So they've got the vanity with cabinets that match the kitchen cabinets, mirror up above. They got the black countertop, toilet, and then they have got the walk-in shower. Lots of room to store your shower stuff, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, anything else you might be using in that department. You can put it on one of about 7 shelves. Heading out, we'll get another look at the kitchen. They've got the full tile backsplash that I kind of skipped over on the first go around. That looks awesome. And if you were to buy the 400 square foot version of this home, that is pretty much what you would end up with. But like I mentioned in the intro, they showed up to this show with 753 square feet. So that's what we're going to look at next. So remember, if you wanted to buy the 400 square foot version, end the video here. But if not, you can add a second half, and what you get with that is more storage. You get a second bathroom and basically everything else that I'm about to show you. So coming around the corner, we've got this kitchen pantry. I know this is very important for people. People need a place to put their food, and they brought a surprising amount to this show. I might sneak off with a couple nutty buddies if there's any left. Heading down this way, they've got the dining room. As you can see, they've got a 2-person dining table there and another mini split for heating and cooling. Coming around, this definitely isn't going to be shipping with the home. So really, you could put whatever you want in this space. Probably makes the most sense to be used as they're using it, but it could be used as like a little nook or an office, depending on how you live your life. That is 100% up to you what you do with that space. Now, another bedroom over here. So adding the second half makes this a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. And wow, they might be staying here. I didn't know you could actually stay inside the convention center. I'm not 100% sure if they are, but they might be. There's a small chance. Coming down this way, they've got this single bed in this room, and that leaves a little bit more room for a night table and a lamp. Nicely staged, this home, you know? Coming back around, I'm going to go into the bathroom. I'm guessing it is an exact mirror image of the one we already looked at, and that is correct. It's only flipped. So we've got the vanity, mirror up above. Possibly a different mirror. I'll have to look back. We've got the toilet, and we also have the walk-in shower. All in all, you get a lot in 753 square feet. Let's talk about the pricing, shall we? There you have it, folks, the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom folding steel frame prefab home from Neuma Home. As far as pricing goes, this unit starts at $220,000 and likely goes up from there depending on where it's going and what you're doing. I hope you enjoyed the tour. That is it for me here at the International Builder Show in Orlando. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.